Want to clean your teeth, whiten your smile, and fight plaque just by eating? These 7 natural foods work like edible toothbrushes. And wait till you hear what's fixing cracked yellow teeth for Navy vets. They're crunchy, packed with fiber, and great for scrubbing away plaque while boosting saliva, your body's natural mouthwash. Chewing raw carrots is like brushing your teeth mid-meal. They remove debris, stimulate gums, and even freshen breath. This crunchy veggie acts like a natural floss, cleaning between teeth and triggering saliva flow that neutralizes harmful acids. Cheese doesn't just taste good, it raises the pH in your mouth and helps rebuild enamel with calcium and phosphate. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are loaded with minerals that strengthen teeth and scrub away food particles as you chew. A natural tooth polisher, strawberries contain malic acid that helps lift surface stains, but enjoy in moderation to protect enamel. Green tea is rich in polyphenols that kill bacteria and reduce gum inflammation. Sip smart, smile brighter. These foods are a great start. But what if you could actually repair damaged teeth from the inside out? That's what Navy veterans are doing with a powerful natural tooth repair hack that's going viral. Your smile deserves more than just damage control. It's time to rebuild it. Hit that like button, subscribe for real dental health tips, and tap the link now before it gets taken down. Your teeth will thank you.